In this special Law of Attraction video, we're going to share essential do's and don'ts to help you manifest the life you desire. Hey everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, what a beautiful day. We are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about your dreams and your goals. I'm so blessed. So many of my dreams have manifested. We want to share the message of the law of attraction with everyone. And I want to share all the experience that I have in manifesting, some of my defeats as well, but I want to share them so that so that it's a little easier for you. How's that? So that you can manifest the life that you truly desire and dream about. It's so important to us. That's why every month we give away 3 manifesting accelerators to people on our subscription list. We give away 3 of them. We sell them all the time on our website in the empowerment store, but you can win one free by simply being a subscriber. We draw 3 people out every single month. So if you haven't subscribed, be sure and subscribe. Click the bell icon because we love to go live with updates on the weekend. We're talking about essential, and I do mean essential do's and don'ts when it comes to the law of attraction. If you'll keep these essential do's and don'ts in the front of your mind and, keep it relevant, write them down, memorize them, you will be able to honestly attract more of what you desire in your life using the incredible power of the law of attraction. The first do is have clear, concise intentions and write them down in a notebook in present tense. So many people I talk to say, well, Robert, I just want to be loved. I just want a happy relationship. I just want to make more money. I just want a successful business. And while that's a good beginning, get clear, get concise. What kind of a business? How much money? How do you want to be loved? What kind of health do you want? How vibrant are you? How athletic are you? Write them down and be concise and be clear, because the universe, the infinite field of potential, it works with clarity. When we send up a foggy message to the universe, we get a lot of fog coming back. Remember, the universe matches exactly what you are, not what you want. Everybody wants something. I always say that. And everybody in the world wants at least 10 things, right? And so many people never get it because they stay in a state of want, because they've never gotten clear on what they desire. The kind of lifestyle. What kind of lifestyle? What kind of boat do you want to drive? What kind of car do you want to drive? What kind of house do you want to live in? Where do you want to travel to? What kind of clients do you want to serve? Clarity is a huge do when it comes to the law of attraction. It's one of those things you must do all the time. Be very, very clear. Number 2, write out I am affirmations. I am. So once you have your intention, you need to know what your affirmations are, and they need to be in present tense. See, what happens is that a lot of people watch this. A lot of people are in a state of want. I want a new car. I want a new job. I want help, saving my relationship. I want better health. And so they constantly get back this. Here's what the universe gives them back. Here's some more want. Here's some more want. Here's some more want. In other words, the universe mirrors you. Okay? Have you ever been through one of those fun houses where everything's mirrors? That's kind of how the universe is. Mirrors everywhere. So everything that you put out is what you get back. And when you have clear, present tense affirmations, you've changed your energy field from I want to I am. I am abundant. Money flows to me easily, effortlessly. Those are so important to write down. And the next do is very important. So the next do is create mental images about your intentions, about your affirmations. You should have a picture. When you say, I am abundant, you ought to see that boat sitting next to you, or that plane next to you, or that new house, or that new car. You need to see what you desire in your mind. It has to be clear. It has to be concise. In the old days, I'm giving away my age now. In the old days, they used to have a thing called the Sears and Roebuck catalog. It was about this thick. I think we miss a lot of catalogs today. And we don't have clear pictures in our mind. Go through catalogs, browse the internet, have clear, concise pictures of what you desire. It'll make a huge difference. But in addition to clear, concise pictures, how about images around your house that illustrate the kind of life you desire, the kind of life you are manifesting? Have pictures and images where you work, where you sleep, where you live, that inspire you to work harder, to stay more positive, and to focus longer on your desires. Now, some people use wish boards, and they'll take a board and they'll put a whole bunch of pictures up there, and that's great too, as long as those pictures clearly represent what you deeply desire, what your intention is. Next, do emotionalize your dreams and your goals. I've had people tell me, I did my affirmations 999 times this day. I go, really? Or did you emotionalize them? Did you put energy into them? Did you feel them? Did you just get so excited it felt like you were behind that new car, sitting in the driver's seat, hands on that leather wheel? Could you smell the interior? Were you motivated? Were you excited? Were you juiced up? Did you feel like dancing? Well, no, I just recited them. That's not doing anybody any good. Remember, the universe matches what you feel, not just what you think. Your feelings provide kind of the nuclear fuel for your thoughts. So amping your thoughts up, your affirmations up with powerful emotions is absolutely essential. Do challenge negative or limiting beliefs. When you feel a doubt or a limiting belief come into your mind, challenge it right now. If you have the time, pull over to the side of the road, get out your notebook and write it down, and then challenge it, argue against it, and have evidence as to why this is a stupid limiting belief, why this doesn't make sense to doubt your intentions and your goals. Challenge it right then and there, and then get right back into those positive affirmations. It's the absolute key. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to get into the don'ts now. Don't say affirmations without emotions. Emotionalize every affirmation you say completely and totally. We kind of covered that in the do's, but we're covering it again in the don'ts because it's absolutely critical. It's absolutely essential. Don't think about what you don't want. Okay? Don't think about what you don't want. Everybody says, well, I don't want that, and I don't want that. No. Refocus. Refocus on what you desire. Get that word out of your dictionary, want. Okay, get it completely out of your dictionary, out of your vocabulary. Focus on what you desire and make it present tense, as if you are already living the dream. Because, in a sense, you are. Once you change that energy field, you're already beginning to magnetize and attract the dream that you absolutely desire. Next, don't use the word want as an affirmation. Don't use it in your affirmation. Don't use it in your affirmations. Do not use it in your affirmations. Use positive statements in your affirmations. And want is it's a state of lack. To want is to be in a state of lack, which means you attract more lack back. Have you ever heard the old saying, the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep getting poorer? There's a little bit of truth to that because the rich understand this concept and the poor don't. So focus on what you do desire and make it present tense and leave the word want out of your vocabulary. Don't use negative words in your affirmations or in your self-talk or in your language when you're talking about your goals and dreams and intentions like no, can't, won't, don't. I mean, those are all limiting words. They're negative words. And oftentimes, your subconscious mind blocks those negative words out altogether. So when you say, I don't want poverty, what your subconscious mind more than often is hearing is, I want poverty, because your subconscious mind can't deal with those negative words. It doesn't work. The subconscious mind only understands positive words. And that's why so many hypnotherapists are, in my opinion, doing their patients a disservice by using negative words in their inductions and in their hypnotherapy. But that's a different topic altogether. We'll do that on a different day. Don't limit the universe. Don't ever say, the universe can't do this. I don't see how this will happen. It's impossible for this to happen. I don't care what you say, Robert. This can never happen to me. Do not limit the universe. And if you say you want this, don't limit the universe. You may be shocked, absolutely shocked, that the universe is going to bring you something better. So never limit the universe. And don't just try. Robert, I'm trying. I tried this. I tried that. It didn't work. If you're trying, you're not doing. Oh, did I say it? If you're trying, you are not doing. Trying is not doing. You see, when you are living the law of attraction, when you are a manifester, when you are a high flyer, you are moving beyond the level of trying to the level of doing. And if it takes a week, you do. If it takes a month, you do. If it takes 6 months, you do. You are not trying. You are doing. Oh, yeah. And oh, I feel it. I'm doing right now. How about you? Are you doing? We're both doing. We're all doing together. Ah, wonderful. Keep soaring like a big, beautiful eagle. Stay with those do's. Write them down. Memorize them. And focus on what you truly desire, because you might only be this far away. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.